Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to implement a scheme rupees on basis on the linked tax type rate in Logic ERP. So, let's get started. Head to the sale voucher configuration and select the relevant billing series. Click on Other Settings. Under Defaults to, you will find an option labeled as Implement Scheme Rupees on Basis of Linked Tax Type Rate. This feature applies a scheme rupees discount to higher MRP items, reducing their taxable value and thereby lowering the tax amount. Let's keep this feature disabled first and monitor its impact on billing. Next, go to the Link Tax Types, Rate Basis, Sale module. Select the tax type you want to link. Next, choose the rate on which it should be implemented. Let's select UD net amount. Now click on the UD amount. Specify the amounts by which the UD net amount should be created and ensure that the scheme rupees option is checked. Here, we have already entered the value and selected the tax type against which this scheme value will be implemented. Now, let's take a quick look at the scheme campaign we already created. Go to Setup Scheme Campaign and select the campaign. As you have seen, we have created a scheme campaign on Item Group. Let's also review the scheme item group created under Setup Item Groups. Here, we have defined a scheme group and allocated several items to it. Finally, go to Setup Scheme Campaign Slab Details. Select the relevant scheme campaign from here. Here, you can see the slab details that were configured for the selected scheme. Now, let's move to the billing screen and review its functionality. Before proceeding with transactions, ensure that the scheme rupees column and net rate column are enabled in the column attributes. Upon saving the bill, the system will open the discount window, displaying the applicable scheme for the transaction. Simply select the scheme and press OK to continue. As you can see, since the feature is disabled in the configuration, the scheme amount is proportionally distributed across all items based on their rate and quantity, rather than being applied to only higher MRP items to reduce the applicable tax rate. Let's return to the sale voucher configuration, enable the feature, and then observe its functionality during billing. As observed upon enabling the feature, the scheme is applied automatically to items with MRP above 2500, which were initially subject to 18% tax. Once the scheme is applied, the MRP reduces and the applicable tax is recalculated at 5%. This feature is equally applicable to any other existing scheme campaigns that are configured and available within the system. Overall, this feature helps optimize tax savings on higher MRP items by applying the scheme exclusively to them, thereby reducing the overall GST liability.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.